Hi guys, in this quick video I'm gonna show you how to create Happy Scribe account in your device. So it is very easy. Just open a browser and in the search bar we need to type Happy Scribe just like this, and as you type that, here you will see the site. So just open it up. Now here you have option for login, so just click on it for now, and as you click there, here you have the option for sign up. So we have to click here. Now here you can just create your account by using your email address, as well as you can sign up here by using your Google account. I'm gonna sign up with Google account, so I'll just click on it. Then here you will be able to see all of the accounts which are currently logged in on your device. I want to use this Google account, so I can just click on it. And yeah, after selecting the account, here you just need to give them the permission, so we'll just click on continue. So well, you can see the account is successfully created here. So here you can just give them some extra information like what you want to create, and also for what purpose you are going to use Happy Scribe. Mostly I want to use it for my school purpose, so I can just select it here. After giving the information, you will able to see this window, and here is the profile. So that's how you can create Happy Scribe account. Now if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.